Oh my gosh. For this application, I use this Dents and slide hammer that does magic tricks, as I've talked about before, which I just don't understand where this pole goes to. It just disappears. We have this Glexo cold pull, the Glexo blending hammer. Let's see if we can do this in one pull. Work it in. Oh shit. Quick tip. Dude. Okay, so I'm gonna polish my tip. Shing, shing. We got some high spots, let's blend it down. Yeah, check it out. Dude, I am cross-eyed right now, hold on. I'm looking at this dent like this. That pulled. Curry this bitch. Nothing but pockets.